love TKJ more.
Man, what is this?
What is this or what is this? Drugs.
Lock his ass up.
No, I'm just playing. I'm a fiend.
Yeah, fiend.
Yeah, I'm a fiend for nicotine. Look at all that change.
At the car wash. At the car wash when they get this shit washed.
Fuck, I ain't got no more fucking quarters.
I got you this time.
Nah, it's straight. Honestly, I just need to clean the outside of my car. I got $2.
I got 20. But they wouldn't let me take out more than fucking 20. I had to take, I was like,
damn, the bank can't handle you, Josh.
I was like, can I please take out 20? They was like, nah.
Nah.
It's like, I was trying to take out 10, and they only let me take out 20. Scat Civic. Scat Civic.
Where's the fat ass supercharger? Let's see the fat ass supercharger in it.
That's what's gotta be hidden. Needs a repaint, nigga. Needs a fucking paint. Did you say something to the camera for me? Oh shit.
We need to get washing this shit right fucking now. This shit is dirty as fuck. If I beat that pussy up, is you gonna tell on me?
Whoa, calm down, Jamal.
What we doing?
About to start the wash.
I'm about to get changed. I know it's cold, but it's just warm earlier. Put that shit in, nigga. Put that shit in. Give my change, nigga. Give my change before I spaz out. Yes, my hands are dirty, and it's because, bruh, I just put on shocks, tires, fucking sway bar. But why'd I point it this way like my car was gonna be there? Put on shocks, sway bar links. It's been doing it one at a time, bruh. Support me, bruh. Support me, for real.
Help me. Help me.
Caleb, bruh, I need a turbo like you, bruh, and the damn EcoBoost. The EcoBoost.
Get back, Diddy, nigga.
Come out and play.
Bro,
This the part I like the most.
Whoa. Hey.
I literally had $2.
Where does it go then? Here, bruh. You need some change, nigga?
I know, but nigga, I just had $2.
Nigga,
Bro, this place scamming now.
this place scamming. It's your car.
I had $2.
How much you need? 50 cents? Here. A donation, nigga.
Is it for the Black Lives?
Yeah, I give you a little extra. Oh shit, I give you extra 30 seconds. The head start. Oh my god, nigga, it's so cold, bro. Do that. But it's literally cold out here, bro. Like, it's fucking cold. But the Civic, though, bro. The Civic, boy, let me tell you. Hey, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let y'all know what the move is. I'm gonna wash this mug, show y'all the after views of it. But yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all right back up, nigga. So we riding through, just got the car wash done. We're going to Walmart right now. That boy Caleb. Caleb, boy.
Did he already leave?
Nah, he's coming up though. I'm waiting on him though. Come on, Caleb. Come on, back up, Caleb. Back up, Caleb. Nigga on my ass. I'm about to give him. See, as a leader, bro, you gotta give some space, bro, because some of these niggas don't give you any. I know it's taking a long time. This thing taking so long, man. He'll get behind me. POV Honda Civic. I don't know why he want to take the back roads though. He'll catch up though. No, that's why we need walkie-talkies. So I can walkie-talkie this nigga and be like, yo, did you even pull out, nigga? I don't know where this nigga is. Hopefully he behind me though. Unless he had the same problem I had. Do you think Caleb will catch up?
What?
Do you think Caleb will catch up?
Maybe.
Have faith in Caleb. Have faith in Caleb. Oh, I see him. I see him. He coming in hot. He right behind the red car. Oh, God. I had faith in that nigga. Oh, God, I had faith in him. School's on. Bro, who is this red fucking Cadillac phone? Oh God, he back there. He back there for real, for real. UPS man. Shit. There's be a perfect like slide right here.
Really?
I speak Hellcat. I speak that shit. I be speaking Hellcat on I gotta roll down the window a little bit, let him hear that Honda. I want dual pipes on this bitch though. But first I gotta get. It is a little bit more smoother, but I'm missing something. Oh, please don't smack me. Please don't. On God, video got messed up. I'm gonna get more storage on the iPhone for real, for real. Y'all hear the Honda for real. That boy Caleb is on. No, he's not on point. He's not on point. He didn't even pull out.
Look at that green car that just stands out.
I know. That's why Honda Civic niggas we like to do just black. Caleb don't give a fuck. Caleb like, nah, nigga, it's my turn. Technically, I should say Kroger and Walmart, they got about the same gas, that $2.71. That's pretty cheap. You better stop, bitch ass nigga. You better stop there, buddy. I ain't playing with you, buddy. This one right here, this nigga got a But it'd be the most ghetto shit out here. I swear to God. This is like the most ghetto Walmart, I think, in Johnson City. I would believe. That's why I go to the other one, Brown's Mill. It's more classy.
That one's more ghetto.
But this one's ghetto. No, it's not. This one is ghetto. There be people fighting outside and shit.
Oh.
Dodge Charger SXT.
I thought that was B for a second.
Bro, there be some NPCs out here, bro. Oh God. This. Come on, kid.
Alright.
Oh God, we outside, but I'm gonna hit y'all right back when we get out of Walmart. On God, I ain't trying to record on Walmart because I love Walmart, bro. On God.
Feel that bitch. Feel the grip on that motherfucker. Your hands ain't going nowhere. You.
That's what I need.
Are you sitting in the car for too fucking long?
See, my backbone
This
be
what
hurting
you-
about right here.
Oh, Mel's getting the tan.
Didn't James put some shit like this and his mom like yanked it off?
Oh,
She like started scratching it out with a fork. 5% tint, well, that's what I need. I'll put 10. I'm gonna probably put 10 in the next video.
This is what I need.
I smoked 10 cigarettes a day.
150 hours of fucking weed, boy.
I swear to God, it be cold, but then the wind makes it 10 times fucking colder for no reason.
Got the Walmart meals. I wish we could cut up in the dark, bro, but this camera, they don't really get, like, at night, bro, that's like the worst time to cut up because, like, bro, you can't see shit on the phone. Run his mouth. How about you spread them legs? All right, Cap, are you going to sit here or?
No, I'm putting it down.
Hey, all right, bet.
All right, bro.
Good video, good small video for me on YouTube.
Shout out TKJ Mon.
Okay.
Subscribe to his YouTube and
No, it's a Rev Up Community.
Oh, well, Rev Up Community.
Rev Up Community, on God. Hey, but on God to hit me up though.
Alright, I will.
Alright, bet, bro, bet. I'm gonna do some cutting up, bro, for just a little bit of the video, and then that's it.
Alright.
But alright, bro, I'll see you.
Granddad, give me a hug, man.
Oh man, get on with me, cause I brought you some damn shit. Nigga, you are crazy as hell.
I can't get a hug.
Nigga, you don't be hugging on no player, nigga. You can't put that shit on the internet. A boss ass nigga like me hugging on a something. What's wrong with you, boy?
You my granddaddy, man.
I can't help it, boy. You better act like you goddamn real, nigga.
This a pint of red, put in the car, I call it Wacky Slut. I love my bitch, but every time she call, I gotta hang it up. Only watching movies with bitches, that's just to get my nut. On my way to school with a 23, that's gon' blow you up. Fuck. On the 2 man with 2 chains on, pull up stolen Rango. Nigga act like bitches, but honestly, that's how life go. Chopper in my drawers, honestly, what I'ma fight for. I can't let no bitch, sorry baby, I don't wife hoes. Yeah, this a new RS. Brody got tired of stepping, he bought a TRX. I don't trust you moisture night niggas ain't wearing VVS. She'll catch her on the ARP, I'm in towards neck. Hollow tips in every single pocket of my Nike Tech. 2020 niggas kept on dying cause they fake vests. You gon' die a user. Yes, I had a dumb blonde, now she fuck with losers. I don't like that NA motor, bro, I need a supercharger. 50 in one night, all for rapping about a stolen charger. Type to text for meals, once I fuck her, I'm like, where your daughter? We the Rolex on. Every time I text my Philly bitch, that be a bad job. Bitch, put your lash on. I'm a taxpayer. Label try to short me out my money. I need more paper. Talking on this mic cost 80,000 for a short feature. AK-47 in my bag, I'm giving ball tape. Yeah, I love bad bitches. I love bad bitches too. Guess we the same nigga. Type to pop a nigga in the leg. I can't fade with you. Told my little bitch to eat the dick. I ain't playing with you. Wearing new ice. Rattle shoot from out the whip. Switchy on the test drive. Told my little bitch to drop the low. Got neck at Best Buy. I don't really fuck with her. I fuck on her at nighttime. Keep a bun back and glide, don't aim it. Keep a bun on back and glide, don't aim it. They big purchases. My new bitch, she a narcissist. My Glock 2-3 be parking shit. Yo, bitch, she keep on talking way too much. Come here and eat the dick. Ask me how much money I got. His rollies in my starter kit. On Instagram, he touching racks. In real life, he a counterfeit. Don't even touch my chains. The hoes be grabbing when they taking flips. My OT just to make a bag. 100K off legal picks. I done got my name and bought a chain, and that's from buying whips.
Yo, this nigga, bro. So I'm saying people in John C don't want to drive. That's why I got the camera out tonight, bro. People cannot drive. I swear to it. Nor can I, but at least I look. That's why they got these cones out too, so people don't freaking go in the other damn lane and shit. Roll down the window just a little bit. I want them to hear the Honda. I'm definitely trying to get back though. I'm hungry.